Okay, welcome back. So the market's off the low, 67 lower on the Nifty. Page Industries, let's put the stock up. Let's see if there's some recovery there as well. It was down almost 10% early in the day. Good set of third quarter results, but why is the stock sulking? It is still sulking, 7.5 lower. Mangalam is here with exactly that. Mangalam.
Well, Prashant, yesterday when the numbers came out, 19% growth, the street thought this would be a good set of numbers. However, the stock price chose to ignore that. It ended at the low point of the day, and today as well, it opened lower and has fallen further lower because the street was believing maybe there is some devil in the details. And today there was a note coming in from Kotak which indicates that yes, there was devil in the details, which is the notes to accounts. What exactly had happened is that the Ind AS system, on account of the different accounting standards, the company has recognized revenue higher by about 330 million, which accounts for which is 33 crores. So that 19% growth that the street thought was good. If you take the Ind AS impact out, it is actually just about 14%. So the adjusted revenue growth is 14%, not as good as it looked, which is why the stock is lower. Add to that, the company did not clarify in the exact manner in which the new accounting norm has resulted in the revenue gains in the third quarter. So lack of clarity coming in out there. And finally, all the analysts, remember, Page Industries does not hold a conference call. So all the analysts rely on the fact sheet that the company gives out post its quarterly results. And this fact sheet is the volume details of all the products that they sell. The company discontinued to give out that fact detail as well, or the fact sheet. So let's see whether they go ahead and give that out or not. But at 42 times, despite the correction, Kotak believes the stock is expensive.
All right, Mangalam, thanks very much for that. So no respite for Page in today's trading session. But let's shift focus now to a CNBC TV 18 exclusive. Banking sources tell us that the final bids for JP Infra are to be submitted today. And Ritu Singh joins in with those exclusive details. Ritu.
That's right. The final round of bids for Jaiprakash Infratech or JP Infratech are likely to be placed today, and the committee of creditors, we understand from sources, will be meeting on Monday, the 18th of February, to review all the bids that have been submitted for JP Infratech. Now, do remember the expressions of interest have already been submitted by NBCC, Kotak Investments, Cube Highways, as well as Suraksha Group. And banking sources indicate that NBCC and Suraksha Group are seen as the strongest contenders to acquire JP Infratech. Do remember, in the last round, Suraksha had emerged as the highest bidder with its bid of about 7,300 crore rupees, but that was subsequently rejected by the lenders for being too low, and the entire process of insolvency was restarted on the orders of the Supreme Court. Separately, the promoters of JP Infratech, that is Jaiprakash Associates, had submitted close to 750 crore rupees with Supreme Court at the time, which has now been transferred to NCLT on the Apex Court's order. Remember, we're talking of a debt of 10,000 crore rupees, and therefore this time around it'll be interesting to see if Suraksha Group can once again emerge as the highest bidder, and if its bid will be higher than the last time around when its bid was rejected.